Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you fix a problem. Today I'll teach you guys how to log in into your BCBS account. And if you guys don't know how to do that, then watch this video. But before that, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step for more videos just like this. Let's move on. First step, you just want to search for BCBS login like this. Now once you search for BCBS login, you want to click on the second option called bcbs.com login my online account. Make sure you click on this and it's going to take you to the login page of BCBS. So wait for some time until the page loads up. And once the page loads up, it's going to look like this. Where it says username, just type in the username of your account, and where it says password, just enter the password of your account. Once you do that, just click on login. And if the username and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your BCBS account. And if you forgot the password and username of your account, you can click on these two options to recover them as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.